Hello, welcome to Vikas Handlooms from Pochampalli. Today I am introducing my latest collection. This is a rare combination, mustard with black combination. This is pallu and pallu with design, and this is blouse. Blouse is plain because you can work here on this, and this is a complete saree. Middle of the saree you can see with mustard buttas, and it's a tissue border. There are color options in this. This saree cost is 7,500. And there is one more color in this same pattern. This is pallu with the same yellow combination, and this is blouse. And this is rare combination with bottle green with yellow combination, and middle of the saree you can see with white buttas. This saree cost is 7,500. There will be a discount on this sarees also. Please subscribe our channels. For subscribers there will be a discount on it. This is pallu. In pallu you can see the flower design. And this is blouse. Blouse is in pink color, and saree is half white with pink combination. This is a complete saree. In bottom you can see with parrots with tree design with pink combination, and this is the middle of the saree. You can see with green and red butta. This is also rare combination. This saree cost is 8,500. And this saree is full tissue, and this is pallu. In pallu you can see with checks, and this is blouse. This blouse is also with full tissue, and this is a complete saree. In bottom you can see with tissue with butta, with yellow butta, and middle of the saree you can see with yellow and green combination with checks. It's completely full tissue. This saree cost is 9,500. And this is pallu. In pallu you can see with temple design with pink combination. And this is blouse. In blouse there are two types of tissue. It's a split border. And this is copper sulphate with pink combination. In border you can see with lotus design. There are two types of, in border you can see two types of design, and one is with blue combination and one is with green combination. And middle of the saree you can see with two designs. One is in waves, trees, and with tree design, lotus design. This saree cost is 8,500. And this is pallu. Pallu is with patola design with black combination, black and grey combination. And this is blouse. Blouse is with black combination with plain. And this is rare combination with grey and black combination. In border you can see with temple design and waves with dreads. And middle of the saree you can see two types of colors. One is with red and one is with blue. This saree cost is 8,500, and we are having a courier services all over India, shipping free. Only international shipping will be charged. We are having around 200 viewers. Our own manufacturer of Vikas Handlooms, and this is pallu with half and half tissue, and this is blouse. Blouse is also with patola design. This is completely saree with yellow and black combination with pink combination. In bottom with red combination, and upper you can see with black combination. Middle of the saree is yellow color with temple design. This is a complete saree. This saree cost is 8,500. This is pallu. This is blouse. Blouse is with orange color combination with green combination. Middle of the saree color is green. In this green combination you can see with elephants and parrots. Bottom you can see with elephants and parrot design. This is a complete saree. This saree cost is 9,500. And this is copper sulphate blue with pallu. Pallu with temple design. This is blouse. And this is complete saree. It's copper sulphate. And middle of the saree you can see two types of design. One is with orange waves and one is with white waves. And bottom you can see with a temple design. This is the saree. This saree cost is 9,500. And this is one more saree with multicolors. This is pallu. And this is blouse. Blouse is with yellow combination. And this is the complete saree. There are three multicolors in this saree. You can see with yellow combination and copper sulphate. And middle of the saree there are three colors. One is with blue combination, one is with yellow combination, or one is with green combination, and one is with temple design. This saree completely is full tissue. This saree cost is 9,500. There are color options in the same saree. And this is pallu. This is blouse. This pallu and blouse is designed, and middle of the saree is copper sulphate with checks. This is a celebrity saree. I mean, film actor Sanusia has used this saree. This saree cost is 8,500. We are having a color options of this. And this is one more design. This is pallu. Pallu with design with elephants. This is blouse. Blouse there are two shades. One is with pink and maroon shade. And middle of the saree you can see with white dots. Middle of the saree color is white with pink dots, and bottom you can see with bottle green, and there are two colors with this tree design. The temple design is multicolor. One is with pink and one is with white, half white. And upper also you can see with a design. Upper and lower is with the two designs. This is a complete saree. This saree cost is 9,500. We are having a website of Vikas Handlooms. Our website is www.vikashandlooms, and contact number is 99591 95299. And this is pallu with blue combination and red. This is in pallu you can see with elephant and parrot design. This is blue blouse, and middle of the saree is completely red with blue combination. In bottom you can see with Rajasthan design. One is with triangle design and one is with diamond design. Triangle design is multicolor and diamond design is with red combination. And middle of the saree you can see with butta. One is in blue combination and one butta is with mustard combination. This is a complete saree. There are color options in the same design. This saree cost is 9,500. And this is one more design. This is pallu. For our subscribers there are discount. This is pallu.